naka 50% off pa rin ang no-nos with some BPI cards. Sobrang nagustuhan to ng mga kids ko nung first time namin i-try, kaya we promised them we will go back. After all, hanggang July pa yung promo, kaya gusto naming sulitin. Number one request of my kids is no-nos chicken and waffles. The quality is still the same, the chicken is crunchy, tender, and juicy. We still love the waffles na croissant-like yung texture. We tried a new pasta, the salmon and lemon cream. Masarap sana to kung hindi lang maalat yung na-serve sa amin na pasta. At first nga akala ko there's something wrong yata with our taste buds kasi galing kaming abroad. But my kids told us na medyo maalat nga yung pasta. Unfortunately, the mac and cheese that we ordered, sobra rin yung pagka-salty sa taste buds namin. Which is weird kasi we loved this the first time. We ordered a different pizza this time, the No-No's Pizza. It has mozzarella, goat cheese, caramelized onions, topped with arugula and balsamic vinegar. Masarap siya but I prefer yung Sicilian flavor last time. At dahil 2.5 ang minimum purchase to get the 50% discount, dito na kami nag-coffee. We tried the mocha latte and salted caramel macchiato. I loved this the last time and same pa rin yung lasa. I love the burnt caramel taste. Kayo, anong opinion niyo sa No-No's?